Welcome to Community ArtsKitchen.
In this brain break video, I'm going to lead you in a doodle exercise. Here are the rules. I'm going to have you draw a rectangle or a square, any kind of shape on your paper. You can use a pencil or a pen, any kind of drawing tool that you have available. Now, inside of this area that you drew for yourself, this is where you're going to doodle. And I'm going to have you use your non-dominant hand, and you are going to just draw random lines. And the rules are that you're not lifting up your pencil. Slow down, breathe in and out, and just have your pencil go across and over and around in this area that you have created yourself. And you're not lifting up your pencil until you feel like you are finished. And who tells you when you're finished? Well, you do. I feel complete now, and I'm going to lift up my pencil. In the second part of this doodle exercise, I am going to ask you to add color, or you can shade in with a pencil. And now you can switch to your dominant hand again. Unless you want to keep really challenging your brain, you can use your non-dominant hand. So any kind of shapes that interest you, you are going to focus on that shape and color in that shape. Coloring is a very relaxing thing to do, and it's going to calm you and center you. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Community ArtsKitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby Steinman and Anna Rochester. See you next time.